All right, Math 7 students, happy day to you. We are looking at notes for lesson 6-8 today, and this is the last lesson in Unit 6 already. Cray, right? And this is all about commission. And remember, commission we kind of talked about in a little bit in Unit 5, so this is just coming back at us again. So commission is the amount of money that a salesperson makes, or, keyword here, earns, how much money you are earning. Commission is not the total sales. If I sell houses and I sell a house for $100,000, I don't get to keep that $100,000. Commission is a part of the total sales. And when we're talking about that part is usually a fraction, like it was in Unit 5, or this unit, you're going to be seeing it as a percent. Fraction was from Unit 5, and now percent is from this Unit 6 that we're on now. That's why it showed up in both units. Now, there's this new thing which I don't recall if we talked about or not, but this is your base pay. Not everyone gets a base pay. So first off, not everyone gets base pay. Base pay is something that you get regardless of the sales that you get. So like that would be like earning $100 per week no matter if you sold 5 houses or no houses. So base pay is the money earned regardless of sales made. And because not everyone gets a base pay, sometimes it can be zero. You're going to run into situations where there is no base pay. Okay, and so like we've been talking about, this whole unit has been focused on formulas. There's a formula for each one that you want to be dealing with. This lesson's formula is E equals B plus R times S in parentheses. And what this stands for is my E is talking about earnings. Yep. So your earnings is equal to your base pay. And again, if there isn't, that can be zero. Your base pay plus your rate, your commission rate, or that percent, divided by 100, times S is the total sales. Because remember, every percent needs to be divided by 100. So you take your earnings is equal to the base pay plus your rate divided by 100, because it's a percent, times the total sales. That is the formula you're going to be using for this lesson. Last but not least, I want to remind you that when you're dealing with money, you want to be rounding to the nearest hundredths. Something like $32.59. 2 decimal places. We will take a look at some examples now.